Welcome back to another episode on my channel. Today I'll be cooking a simple French fried chicken without using any milk or egg in there. So stay with me while I take you through. Now go nowhere. I'll be right back. Okay guys, for today's French fried chicken, I am going to put some flour in this bowl right here. And I'm just going to dust this plate as well. So this is my seasoned chicken over here. I already seasoned this chicken for overnight, and I already taken off my onion, scallion and stuff, my powder seasoning and all. So this flour, I am now going to season it to show you how we do the French fry. So in this flour, I am going to put some badia seasoning. I'm going to use some Easy Spice jerk seasoning. This is my way of doing it. And I'm going to use some all-purpose seasoning as well to give it that flavor as well. And also to this, I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of black pepper to give it that French fry look. That almost looking like the KFC chicken that KFC does. Alright, so I'm going to mix this around. For your French fried chicken, if you want, you can add egg, water, milk, anything you want to get however you want the chicken to look at the end of the day. But today I am not going to go through all of that. I am just going to drop my chicken in my flour. I have approximately 6 pieces of chicken right here. So I have the breast, the thigh, the wing, the back. So I am going to do 3 pieces first, and then I'll do 3 pieces after. Alright, and this is the wing. So here I am going to fold in, fold out, fold in, fold out, fold in, fold out, fold in, fold out. So you continue this process and press it in to ensure that your flour sits on your chicken. After you finish that process, fold in, fold out, fold in, fold out. You're gonna tap them off to take off the excess flour. Alright, and then I'm going to rest it in the plate over there. And I am going to do this with the other 3 pieces until I get all my chicken floured. Alright, fold in, fold out until you have all your chicken floured. So remember, 10 times you press it in, press out to ensure that there is no space for the chicken to pop in oil. So you're gonna tap off the excess flour and rest it in the container over here. So here is my chicken, which is now breaded. So I am going to go ahead and add this to my oil, which is already heated over here. I had some garlic and some pepper, that Scotch bonnet pepper, to the pot, so it can give this chicken my flavor. Okay, so I'm going to go in now with my chicken, and we're going to let each of these chicken cook for about 15 to 18 minutes before we take them out. So that's my first 3 in, and I'm just going to have this piece of neck in there as well. So I'll just leave these to brown for 15 to 18 minutes and then get back to you. So after browning the chicken on one side, I am going to go ahead and turn it now. So you see it's golden brown. So that is after 9 to 10 minutes. That's the color of it. So I'm putting it's now on the other side, and I'm going to give it the same timing, and then I'll remove these and put in the other side. So here we have our chicken that is now fried on both sides. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove these from the pot. Carefully draining all the oil, or most of the oil from the chicken. We're going to rest it in a plate. There you go, that's my French fried chicken. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead now and add the final 3 to my oil and leave these to go through the same process in which this set over here went through. There you have it, my chicken that was French fried. I hope you like this video. Share it with a friend, subscribe to my channel, comment, and hit that notification bell. And thanks for all the persons who have already subscribed. Stay tuned until I catch you in the next video where I'll be preparing other meals. Stay tuned. Bye.
Well, I briefly touched down in the West Indies. I pray to Jah.